What's up guys, it's Yama Fruits here, and we are doing a sword tier list. So, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. So yeah, this is only my opinions, so don't complain. So yeah, subscribe and enjoy the video. So I already put some swords in there, so it will be quicker. So yeah, Dark Dagger is pretty good and rare to get. It is from Rib Indra boss, but you have to do it a couple times. Soul Cane is pretty good with grinding and PvP, and you can do combos on the sword. So I put it on very good tier. The pipe is okay I guess, but I don't really use it all lot. CDAK is already in powerful tier, because it's way too good. Same with Dragon Trident. The Buddy Sword. It's good with combos, and it will be good with PvP. The Dark Blade is powerful tier, not just its pain to win, it's good with V3, and it is very powerful with combos. So yeah, kinda feel lazy to do all of this, but yeah, we will do it at 2x speed. 3x speed. So yeah, there's only 3 swords left, so I have to rate them. So yeah, Wando is alright. It's in good tier with the other swords that in good tier. Yama alright, it's just good with PvP and grinding. And the Warden sword is just bad, why they put it in the game. Okay, this is my tier list for the swords, and if you want to make your own tier list, go to Tier Maker for blox Fruits tier lists. And thank you guys for watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye. And we see again, bye bye.